Hello. We are officially back. Welcome. Camille, hey there. And hey Thunder, what's up? Good morning. Jonathan, let's not blow. No, I'm not gonna do that. Actually, yesterday I passed an evaluation account, so I'm happy with that. No, we're back to normal. You know, we're back to normal now. Juan Wick, the Mexican John Wick is here. All is good. All is good. Welcome, everyone. Okay, let's look at what happened on NQ. Look at this drop. Almost 400 points drop from up there and then went back here. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Naomi is here. Good morning. Hello, Naomi. Welcome. Cedric, good morning. All right. What else is here? I'm gonna look on gold. Honestly, I checked on the chart earlier, and I don't see anything significant that I like. Nothing. I mean, I'm pretty much like confused on this because there's just nothing, no good level on this NQ chart. Red, hey there, good morning. Oh my god, it's lost. Long time no see. What's happening? Good to see you back. Talking his little fingers to himself. Oh, and Japan responded. I'm still trying to catch up with the news. What happened? Today's my first day trading the sale. Let's go, Lost. Congratulations for starting out finally. Oh, no. Good to see you back. Good to see you back. Saucy, hey there. Let's go. Let's do this. So Japan responded. What happened? I'm still trying to catch up with the news. No. Where's Forex Factory? Here. I'm just checking what kind of news we can expect today. No. Yeah, we had some pound news in the morning. Okay, that's the UK employment. Trump other signals financial markets and a mixed reaction. Chinese stocks led Asia's rise after Trump's first decision not to impose further tariffs on the country. At the same time, the dollar strengthened as he announced plans to slap punitive tariffs up to, wow, 25% in Canadian and Mexican imports as early as February 1st. Wow. Oops. Oh, come on. Not this one. Accidentally closed it. Okay, let's see. The market stronger and the yen is on all drop. Okay. Okay. All right. Gonna read that. Respond appropriately after examining new US president. Oh, I see. Farhad, good morning. Okay. That's interesting. That is interesting. In the chop again, sideways movement, and I don't see any like good levels. I mean, I'm more bullish than bearish, especially because this is a bearish order block. I like to go for a previous day high if we can start to go there up to 800. Yeah, I mean, not saying yes we're gonna go there, but So far, I like this level here. Bullish push in the morning yesterday. So bullish push. Then this candle at 10:30 on the 15-minute close below this. So technically shifted structure and then it dropped. So I like this high. I like this order block here on the 15. That makes me a little bit more bullish than bearish. Otherwise, I'm not sure. Nintendo, what's up? And Glenn is here. Oh, Glenn. Oh, you were asking the 800. Sorry. Forgot to say good morning. Benjamin, can you show the indicators used on TradingView? Sure. This is the only indicator I use on TradingView. You don't even see it. It's called Power of 3. That's it. Double click on it. Sorry. Let me Power of 3. This is the only one, and it's basically only for anticipation. Now it's a doji candle, that's why you don't really see it here. But HTF Power of 3, you double click on it, and I'm using the New York Midnight Open on the daily candle. So that's the only indicator I'm using. These lines are I draw these lines manually. So good morning, Michael. OHLC and Ninja Trader. Oh, good to know. I've so much forgot about Ninja Trader. I'm pretty much on Quant Tower, but maybe I should look into it more. Okay, so until we're not gonna get out from this consolidation area, it's hard to say where we're going. Look at that. Basically on the 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute chart. 20 points. Oh my god. We are ranging in about 20 points here. I mean, come on. I'm gonna put a minor sell side here in case it wants to drop down. And Nissim is here. Welcome. Ollie, good morning. Good to see you back. What's up, Ollie? Well, I might have to change the Bulenox promo here because it's not 91%. I forgot to update. It's 45. Sorry, everyone. Have to update that. Bully is back to 45% off. Yeah. Confirmed. Oh yeah, I have to change the banner too. Okay, let me change the banner here. Let me change the banner here. All right. Changed it. Look how many points the 6 p.m. 4-hour candle. Kind of see what prices. Yeah, I checked it. I mean, it was you know, the 6 p.m. from 6 p.m. down there. It was quite a drop. Actually, let's check the new day opening gap. We almost, I mean, we definitely went over 300 points of drop. Do we have a new day opening gap here? Between 6 and... Okay, so this was it. Okay, we have the new day opening gap here. Okay, new day opening gap. And this one. New day opening gap. So it's still up there. Yeah, exactly, Max. Greg, hey there. What is going on? Man, the weather is just awful out here. Foggy, rainy, cold, no sunshine. Yeah, so if we're taking a dump here, then we should be taking out some levels at least, well, all the way down there to 21,300. If this would be a huge dump, I mean, I would say, yeah, 21,300 as a possible demand area or demand zone. Not sell side, but I'm just gonna leave it there. The open of this candle on the hourly is 98.75. Okay, so we can go all the way there. Bassem, hey, welcome. Good to see you. So definitely breaking this swing low at 307 and then approaching this bullish order block or demand area. Let's go. Listen. So I haven't been able to pay them. I think there might have been a change in the testing days. No, it's because Nissim. It's because yesterday and today counts as one day, Nissim. That is why. So even though you passed it yesterday, the reset is gonna happen today at 6 p.m. at Apex. So nothing's wrong. Everything is the same. Some prop firms, including Apex and some others too, they count yesterday and Tuesday, so Monday and Tuesday as one day. So you're gonna be able to get it tomorrow. So don't worry, it's on the way. Maggie, hey there. Because most likely with like rhythmic account creation. Yeah, no problem, listen. So tomorrow you're gonna have it 100%. Well, I'm still kind of bullish on this, but again, we are just going sideways, not jumping into anything. Actually, quick look at gold. I might even jump into a gold trade. How about that? I took a gold short. Targeting 29.06. $29.06. Yes, that's what I'm targeting. And that's it. So I took a short on gold, but that's it so far. Small position, 2 micros, aiming for about 150 bucks. Long small scalp from inversion candle at 2 a.m. on the 1 minute, I suppose. I see. Yeah, why not? Why not? It can. Let's see. What else do we have here? I would like to see the 0.5 fibs from last swing. 240. Actually, that's a good idea. Let's check it. Let's check that. Oh, you're talking about the bigger swing. Sorry. Karsten, good morning. Yes, sometimes I use it. Yeah. Now it's not opened up, but sometimes I do have it opened on my left monitor here. But not today. At least I haven't opened it yet. Concerned about the macro structure. All-time high, clearly bearish. Yeah, it could be. That could happen. That could be the issue there. Well, so far nothing. Nothing that I like. Look at gold. Let's check on gold. Here's gold. There's a small liquidity void down there on the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute gold. That's why I also took a short, and this one here, a bearish order block. This one on the 5 took liquidity on this. So it looks, for me, it looks like a short. That's why I entered. If it gets up there, I'm still gonna look for a short. So middle of range, I think kind of will be tough. I'm looking at 21 on the 4 hour. Oh yeah. Exactly. Yeah, Glenn. Check yen. What's happening with yen? I mean, this happened overnight. Recovered. In a 15-minute small gap here. I just saw a volume imbalance down there. I think it can drop to this area on the 5 minute. The 0.06461.8, so 64.61.5, sorry, down there. The 1 hour though, it got rejected. Looks like it might want to go lower. Not sure, but I'm not trading the yen, so there's nothing I see on the yen here. It's just taking the stairs down, so no significant levels that I like on the 5. Pretty much sloppy here. You know, I don't know. I'm using one of the cheapest microphones I bought like 7 years ago for like maybe $15 or $14 from AliExpress.com. And I have no idea what's it called, but I'm sure it was $14, maybe. You know, if I count with inflation today, this one can cost like $30. I don't know. If they put interest, is it? Yeah. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, Trump is going to shake up everything. So much I checked that he wrote like 78 or 80 something executive orders. Mostly he revoked Biden's orders. I don't know. I don't know the details. This is what I was reading in the headlines. Yeah, exactly. 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 Everything can change. That's why it's good that we are prepared. And, you know, I'm not that much sold on the daily bias. So I know it's good to have a daily bias. Yes. Everybody's teaching and praising that have a daily bias. I agree. It's good to have a daily bias. But I say that I think the daily bias can change even multiple times throughout the day, especially on a ranging day like this. So since we're day trading, and especially we're narrowed down to the sessions, the daily bias, yeah, it's a good thing, but you know, the higher time frame for me is usually the 1 hour time frame. I don't really look too much. I mean, definitely yes, I check the daily, I check the 4 hour, I check the daily, I check the 4 hour, but usually I go with the 1 hour levels and the 15-minute levels, you know, for the session. Still ranging. Still just ranging. So it looks good. No problem. Yeah, I entered this gold short and it's just unplugged now. So might gonna take me out because that's a 5-minute bearish order block on gold. All right. NQ seemingly might want to drop lower. Who knows? It's like getting a little bit heavier here. But we're still just inside of this range, so nothing. Gold edging back to the 5-minute fair value gap. I invite a good morning, Yoreget. What's going on? How do you spot liquidity? Well, I'm not really spotting it. I'm just anticipating that there should be liquidity. So there are some significant levels. For example, yesterday, I'm going to give you an example on the pound dollar, because I was watching pound dollar yesterday. I'm not trading the pound dollar, before you ask. I'm not trading Forex, but there are some levels that I like. So forget about which chart are we on. There are some levels that I like to anticipate that there is liquidity above and below. For example, the supply area. The reason, because this line is here, is because usually I try to anticipate that there is liquidity below a level like this, below a demand area here. Sorry, it's a demand area. Or, for example, this. Here, also a demand area has been taken out. Look at that. It's a perfect demand zone. Boom, has been taken out. So that's what I'm looking for. Not really trading technically supply. I'm a little bit now mixing the past few weeks. I'm mixing ICT with some supply and demand zones. But I do like these levels. I'm just trying to anticipate. That's all. And obviously, you know, it depends on your trading strategy. If there is definitely liquidity, for example, above that swing high, right? If you just take the significant lows and highs, you can already, you know that there is liquidity below there, there is liquidity above there, and there is definitely liquidity here. Now you just have to decide, where does the market really wants to go? Now if we take this liquidity at 648, why there is liquidity? Because there is a sell side imbalance and buy side inefficiency, which means this gap at 950, sorry, 950, come on, man, 750 Eastern Standard Time on the 5-minute has not been completely repriced. So that gap is still there, and you know what? It seems like it's going there, and it could be a possible target for the market to get that liquidity. So how far are we? Not too far. So if anyone wants to jump in to take out relative equal highs there, you know, why not? Oh yeah, crazy, crazy, crazy market. I absolutely agree. I do agree. I entered a small long position, by the way, only with 2 micros. Not looking for anything special. Actually, I like this level. This is my probe trade for the NASDAQ. 647, 640, 646.50 would be my my TP. Oops. So I'm gonna move my my risk. So here it is. Just a very, very small position. But if I can make it, you know, it should be above $100. If not, you know, this is not something significant there. I just want to see this one squeezing up for some more liquidity. You know, it has been pretty much, you know, picked up everything it could. So why not finish the move in that gap up there? Reprice it completely, that drop. We also have the new day opening gap, which is interesting. So if I lose, I'm gonna lose about $80 or something. I'm perfectly okay with it, and I'm not copy trading this. I'm fine. Dynasty, hey there, welcome. Yeah, crazy market, crazy market. Uh-oh, it's going down. No problem. We have the London Open, not too far from here. Oh, by the way, I know it's like not official, but we can call it an Asia high here. I mean, can we say it official? I guess we can. So possible Asia high up there at 647. As for Asia low, well, it depends. You know, we can say the 520, but we can also say 370. So it depends. It depends. If this candle closes above 26.50, I'd like that, then I would move my risk. I mean, narrow it down. Okay, this is good. Okay, reducing the risk. That is something we can do. So we cannot really tell the market what to do. So we have no control. The only thing we have control of is risk. So now I don't even know. I think I'm risking like $30 or something. Oh, thank you, Glenn. Well, it's not over yet. I always say it's not over until it's not over. So it can, if it takes me out, I'm just gonna lose just a little bit. So I'm perfectly fine. That's one thing I need to remind myself from the Mark Douglas books. You know, if obviously he says do not mess around with your risk, but whatever you do, you have to make peace with the outcome. So if I lose this, I am perfectly okay for losing $30. This is on a funded account, by the way, on a MyFundedFutures funded account. We up at 642. Nice. Let's go. I like that. I know it's going to be hard for price to break through the VWAP. Well, usually it is, especially in London. That's why I'm hoping for these that this is practically an Asia high, which has liquidity above it. So what made me bullish? Yeah, nothing special. So keep it super simple, like the KISS strategy. Super simple or stupid simple, you know, as I used to say. We have liquidity here on this fair value gap. We have the Asia high here. There's should be liquidity. I mean, obviously it can go down and reprice and take me out, but that's it. And if I go down to the 1 minute, I just realized that you know, we had a small little pullback here, this candle, which has technically repriced a fair value gap. This was kind of an indication for me that, okay, we could go for that liquidity. That's it. All I'm doing is trying to anticipate where could be the liquidity, you know, according to the current market volume or speed of the market. Picked up liquidity, pushing. Obviously, unfortunately for me, it can do like this, reprice and whatever. So it's in the cards. The fact that we have a nice Asia high with liquidity above that level makes it a little bit more interesting for me. Only 2 micros, but hey, I made it to, especially on this MyFundedFutures account, which I have. One has had a payout now, and I'm looking for another payout, getting closer. I was trading most likely small micros, and you know, $100 here, $200 there, even $300 here and there, and you know, so far so good. But Reza is here. Oh, welcome. How you doing, Reza? Oh man. So all I'm looking for is an Asia high. That's it. If we trade below 608.25, then well, it can be still good. Actually, it can very well happen because that's also a bullish order block and a demand area down there at the midnight level. But first, I like to see this taken out up there. Still waiting for fund to deduct from my account, not traded yet since Friday. Oh, was that Top Step? I think it was Top Step. I think. Because, you know, yesterday there was yesterday and today at Top Step are the same business days, so it might gonna happen today, you know. Okay. I'm trying not to. I'm trying. Anyway, I don't like this. It's losing momentum. Yet we still have the macro in about 11 minutes. So get ready. Yeah, Top Step. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Just chill and wait for the funds. But yeah, it's because yesterday Top Step, yesterday and today counts as one day at Top Step. They might going to continue with the transfers today. Yeah, let's go with the practice account. I mean, it's always good to practice, especially the entries and exits. Oh, I just got out from my my gold trade. Took a small loss. Yeah, it went up there. Should have known, right? Should have known. No worries. Yeah, because there was a bearish order block up there. And now it feels like it just wants to break the 27.46.3. I'm trying to scalp it if I can on that gold. Oh man, this trade, I feel like I'm not gonna survive until the macro. Yeah, gold is booming. You should be sleeping during London, so we don't. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Who knows what's gonna happen in the New York session? He wakes up and starts tweeting. I'm also in same trade my entry. Oh, nice. Let's see. They're always tweeting. I saw a video. I don't know. It was on Twitter, on YouTube. I don't know. I saw a video somewhere, like, where they were showing how Trump actually tweets his own words. I mean, yeah, he has someone to type it on Twitter, but he was sitting next to his assistant, and he was saying, okay, write this, blah, 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 or write this, blah, 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 blah. And she was typing what he was saying. So I don't know how it works in politics, but it seemed to me that he's tweeting his own words or something. I don't know. I mean, I'm not into Trump or any kind of political party or whatever. I don't care about politics too much. I'm just saying that I saw a video like this. Now I can see account balance in wealth charts. Oh, good question, Camille. I have never checked on wealth charts. Tweets are fine as long as you have the correct draw. Yeah. Account section. Oh, thank you, Naomi, for helping Camille. All right, macro is getting closer. I knew Deep Tom has base political views. He's yeah, you know my political views. Yeah, but for the United States, I mean, what happens there, I have no information, so I have no specific opinion. I'm basically just following politics here in my country. But Martin, good morning. We will attack buy side. Yeah, so there is an Asia high there, and we have the macro soon, so we should be able to punch that out. But you know, we never know. Until I refresh. Oh. Break even, maybe, yeah, maybe it would be a good idea to go break even. 15.50. Man, I don't really like this. You know, maybe it wants to sweep some levels lower. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. If it takes me out at break even, it could be sweeping lower, so I agree with that. But now I'm at break even, so at least it's a free trade, whatever happens. We were so close. So close. Put some tariff on EU, and I'm sure Tesla sales will plunge. Yeah, that might happen. We'll see. Look at this. What a dirty, dirty, dirty move here. Did not manage to go up there. The 5-minute, though, well, I can imagine this one going down again. Unfortunately for me. And then maybe try to go back again. Up and down. Oh yeah. This was quite crazy, this move after 6 p.m. It's not happening. It's not moving that way. What is up with gold now? It will go 200 per share. Oh, so it will go. Well, it can happen. I was reading that Tesla is having some sales problems across the US because apparently they have lots of Tesla sitting at the auto dealerships, and it's hard to sell them because of the competition, and the depreciation of the Tesla, even the used Teslas, are extremely, like, I mean, of course the used Teslas have the depreciation, but it's getting higher and higher. especially on the few years old, like Model 3, or I don't even know. So, and the Cybertruck still has some issues. I was just reading an article. I'm no expert, and the shareholders don't really like the situation of what's going on. But I guess it's not just about cars. Rich will steal, yeah. Let's see, Martin. If it's not gonna go there, it's still fine. We're gonna be looking for something else, or maybe some other time. Yeah, so by the way, in the European Union, it seems like more and more Chinese and Japanese car manufacturers might try to settle. It's already starting to happen. That could be a big competition for also German automakers and some others, because for example, here in my country, just 100 kilometers from here, one of the biggest Chinese car manufacturers, the BYD factory, has started manufacturing cars, electric cars, and you know, they're already comparing the price with some other, like, German cars, like the BMW, Mercedes, and comparing them with like luxury prices and everything. And it seems like the BYD is a huge competition, because even a quote-unquote cheaper BYD electric car can do way more than an expensive German car. So I think I better look into the well charts. I mean, I haven't really, but I might have to. By the way, today is the last day to get your $250 discount on the TickTickTrader instant funded accounts. It's a 100K funded account. There's no 50K, but the minimum, I think it's like only for the 100K. The 100K funded account right now is for 370 or 69 with the discount, and today is the last day for the promo. Instant funded. So from tomorrow it's gonna be also under a discount, but it's gonna be $100 more expensive. So just saying. Totally forgot. TickTickTrader instant funded. Only on Trade08 and Project X. So no Rhythmic. Only on Trade08 and Project X. Maybe on NinjaTrader. I'm not sure if you can connect, but I think that they're doing the promo for Trade08. But make stronger U.S. car industry. I could be wrong, but it is. I was thinking about Zine car. Yeah, I think that's what they want to do. I think yeah, they want to go with the internal combustion engines, right? So not the electric vehicles. I think he was speaking about it earlier in a video somewhere, that they're trying to endorse the old style, which I don't know what Elon Musk is saying about it, but you know. I'm not going to because it's just a few dollars, you know. It's just a few dollars, which doesn't really, you know, maybe if it goes down, it's just gonna need 1 or 2 ticks to go up again. So if it takes a few dollars for it, then I just let it go with the break even. It can still just go sideways. No 50K. Yeah. The rules for payout, there is a safety threshold at $5,000. No, sorry. On the 100K, the main thing is that you can withdraw from the safety threshold. Just a second. Just a second. There's a payout threshold is $5,000, and you can request $2,000 when you get to 5,000. Yeah, exactly. Uh-oh, the macro is gonna take me out. I'm just trying to look at what is the drawdown on that. The daily loss limit is 2,500, and the overall loss limit is 5,000. So you have a bigger room to go with, obviously. Yeah. But you can request withdrawal from the threshold once you reach your reach that target. You have EV, BYD. Workplace is pretty fancy compared to Thomas built buses. Happy face when he speak about Mars. Yeah, I think Elon needed Trump for his Mars missions and for SpaceX. I'm sure that they agreed on some terms about the future of SpaceX and these rockets and the spaceship and all that such. The direct funding account is 369, I think. 369 today. With the best code. But from tomorrow it's gonna be 450 or 60, something like that. Without the discount it's 660, I think, but today it's 369. There is a 20% consistency rule, but I think it's way more than enough. So you don't have to worry about that. You know, it's not about to get to a payout in one day. Yes, I know for some it is, but I think 20% consistency on an instant funded account is way okay. Which means on a 100K account, you can still do $2,000 in a day. You know, no, you cannot. Sorry, $1,000. Sorry, $1,000, which is quite all right. Obviously, you can do more. You know. Even if a small profit combined, why not trailing your stop loss and take 90% of your profit target? Because it's a very small amount. You know, if I would trail it here to 18, it's just a few dollars, and I'm gonna use this use this to let the trade to breathe. You know, even if it takes me out, I want to give a chance for it to you know, to move around. We have the London Open soon, so yeah. and it's just a small trade. So I'm trying to go for at least $100 or more on the funded account. With a few dollars, I'm not really moving anywhere on this account. So if it takes me out at break even, it's all right. It's fine. Let's see the London Open. Obviously, if it would be in a New York session with a bigger move, then maybe. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! London, what's gonna happen now? Jesus. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh, it's gonna take me out, man. I was so sure that it's gonna spike that Asia high real quick. It might gonna. Actually, I'm not even. I mean, I'm okay with the break even because I think it can sweep below this swing, 609. So, what can we do, right? Yeah. I tried. I tried. All right. Out with break even. So didn't go for the Asia high. That's interesting though. Let me check on gold. What's happening? Okay, gold is now started to drop. Yeah, ES took the high. ES took the high. We have a gap here. I wonder if I should jump in for a short to take out this demand area. Oh, really? It could, I guess. SMTVDS, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna save that high for later. I'm gonna save that high for later. Now it seems like it wants to go down to 604. And actually taking it out at 592. That would be something I would look for. I might actually jump into a short. No entry. Never mind. 592 right there. What is gold doing? Gold is still dropping. Look at that. Wow. I might jump into a gold again. $730. Can it go down to the 730s? All right, I'm not in a trade. The only thing I took here, actually I jumped into a gold short to target 2730.1, but that's it. Yeah, exactly, Glenn. Yeah, I'm also waiting here. On the 5 minute, it swept liquidity. And you know, Asia high is still there. It's still there, and you know, we have this. We have the first gap as well from London, which not as significant, but it could send it lower, I guess. Oh, I have to go out for a minute. I'll be right back. There is a package arriving. I'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, are we going back to Asia high? It seems like we're going. It seems like we might go, or maybe not. Inverted this gap here. I wonder if so what was our previous take profit? 46.50, I think. I'm curious if it wants to take Asia high again, if this was the fake move. Interesting though. Swept liquidity. Here was the first gap. Basically inverted it to might go up to what was the high there on that was 48 on the mini. Dex bounce. Hard to decide what the market wants to do here. Okay, so gold is still there. Yeah, it might want to go and take out that demand area. Look at that. It might do a shift after repricing this gap. So this could be a decision point for the market if it wants to go higher or not. This is the first fair value gap. Your short ES. Yeah, it's holding it. It's holding it. So still don't know. I'm watching the gold as well, but it would be nice if price would take out Asia and then deliver it down. No, that would be an awesome move. I might jump into a short there. That would be something I like. But could be happening the opposite way. Michael is more bullish. If it breaks the minor, break the block. We'll see. Yeah. Exactly. Then we'll see. Still not sure. There was an inversion entry to go for the Asia high again. The 5-minute seems still pretty much chopped up. No major levels that I like here. In fact, yeah, it seems like it wants to, yeah, back to the gap. Let's see, but it might want to go for that 592 there. Not sure. Looking for a possible scalp move, but I don't see anything. Gold is up there. Not a strong move. I thought that, you know, this recovery is gonna sweep the Asia high and then we can look for a nice sell. But it's not happening now. Got you out there. Careful there, careful. If I look at the 1 minute and comparing it to the 5 minute, we're still in a huge barcode. Also on the 15 minute. Bit of a push here again. Not much. Maybe this is gonna go all the way until 4 a.m. equities. Just sideways action. There is liquidity below 592, but it seems like Asia high is just not ready yet. So that's why, you know, first level would be 604. Trying to go long on gold. Let's go. I was trying to decide to do a little scalp or what, but the 1 minute chart is clearly not doing what I like to for price to do here. We're basically stopped at this level. $17 points away from the highs, and it's not taking it yet. Trying to, but it always gets the resistance. Looking gold. And gold, nothing that I really like here. Very rangy, exactly. Stopped out, yeah. Yeah, I think it needs more liquidity, and I really don't know if I should just jump in for a scalp. Yeah, we need that. Motivation healing, I completely agree. I think we need that for our liquidity here. It might just gonna go range, even go down to 592, sweep liquidity there. I just don't like it. ERP Media, hey there. And Vivian is here. Welcome, Vivian. Good to see you. Good to see you. My gold trade is finally in the green. All right, NQ, what's it gonna be? I'm curious what's it gonna do. 47.25 on the micro, the Asia high. On the mini, the micro, sorry, the Asia high is on the mini, it's 47.75. Okay, so 47 would be officially like a safe area to take the Asia high. I don't know if it's going for it or not. Anyway, if it takes the Asia high, I might gonna look for a possible short, but it depends, you know. Activation fee, yes, $130. So they had the promo in December up until the mid or first week of January or something, with no activation fee, but still, you know, 50% off at least. But yes, $130 lifetime. Yes. Lifetime. Take out Asia highs, please. It's very slow right now. I was expecting more from London after yesterday. Gold is GC. Yeah, GC F5, I think. Let me check. Yeah, I think that, or H. It might be still on H. No, it's on F, I think. Let me check it real quick. Real quick. Is G5. Gold futures is on G5 currently. Yeah, I was expecting it to. It seems like, if it fails and, goes below that first gap, I wouldn't be surprised if this would go and, dump down to 604 and sweep the 592 demand area right here. The question is, which is going to come first? So we have a minor, not the strongest, but minor demand here. Or bullish order block, you can call it that, whatever. That one. So if we take out Asia, that's awesome. I might going to be looking for a continuation to go short. Not sure. All right. We see a possible push here. Is this gonna be the one? Is this gonna be the one? Oh, thank you for being here, Cedric. Have a nice one too. See you later. So bearish SMT forming. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe later. Maybe later it's gonna go for it. And now this is a trick, and it's gonna take the elevator. It's gonna trick everybody and take the elevator down. Not far. Only a few points. Let's see. Do it for red. Do it for red. Take out that Asia. No elevator. Okay, do it for Michael and red and everybody who's long. Oh, darn it. NQ, come on. Just one push. That's all. One push. You need that liquidity, NQ. You need it. You know you need it. NQ, you know. You know you want it. You need that liquidity. Just take it. It's there for you to take. It's not helping. I'm trying. It's not doing it. I'm just watching on the sidelines. I'm still shaking here for you guys. I think you should have never taken you out. Yeah. Yeah, but hey, it's fine. I mean, I was a little bit afraid of this 5-minute gap here anyways. And as soon as I started to see this crazy move before the London Open, I was like, oh man, this might just gonna take some orders from down there. And so it did. Not Darth Tom Vader. I am your father. I am your father, NQ. That's a good question. It all depends on what's gonna do in London, especially now. Is it gonna go for the Asia high? For example, if by some unfortunate reason it wouldn't go for it, then I can imagine it why, because then it should drop down, sweep as much as it can from down here, and then for later, Asia high would be even more significant. So, if it's not taking it now, it's okay. I mean, I'm sorry, guys. I mean, yeah, it's not okay. But if it's not taking it now, later it becomes a more higher probability target. Maybe in the New York session, which is great, obviously. Oh, no. Oh no. So, which would be also great. Tell your son to move up. Luke, Anku, you have to move up. Move up there. I am your father. Let's go. Come on. Just one more time. Just go up there. Take it. Feel the power of the dark side. Take the 47. What a messed up 1 minute chart, by the way. Let's scare it. Go on, NQ. Go up there. Yeah, absolutely crazy here. Come on, NQ. Don't make me to put my Kevin Costner voice on, which is actually this one right now. Daddy, go higher. 7 points. I wouldn't care about the 0.25. Who cares about that? Just go for 47 if you want a nice TP there. Even 46.75. I mean, this is how Kevin Costner talks, usually. Usually this is his voice, you know. Going out to Yellowstone to the ranch. No, actually not. I'm just trying. Oh, man. Michael gave up. We left. Michael has fallen. We left Michael behind. Oh, $50 is excellent, Michael. $50 is absolutely good. On a London session like this, $50. Absolutely. Anytime. Anytime. Especially if you multiply it with 1 or 2 funded accounts. I mean, copy traded. So, at $50, hey, trust me, it's good. On a move like this, on a session like this so far. Green is green. Hey, listen, even if you got in, you got back your losses, and if you would have exited like with 0 profit or loss, so just at break even, that's also winning. That's also winning because you went in the market, you know, you took the risk, you even lost a bit and you made it back. You actually win. That's a winning session. Keep that in mind, everyone. If you go into the market and come out at the end of the session at break even, that's a winning session. You won. You beat the market. Never forget that. It helps a lot. You beat the market on a break even session. Come on, NQ. Come on. Come on. We don't have time for this. One more push. Now that Michael is out, we can go. Let's go. Congratulations to everybody who made money. All right. I wish I would have made some money, but I'm still holding this gold short. But whoever made money on this, congratulations. You did a good job. You did a good job. Okay, take out the 1 hour fabric inversion. Next, let's go. Oh, look at this push. This mother tucker. Actually, let me check on my gold. Where is MGC? It's not here. There it is. I'm reducing the risk to here. That's a gold trade. Where can we go? Look at this. No. Now, actually, what I would like to see, now that liquidity has been picked up, quite some, right there. I would like to see, I know you guys gonna laugh, but that's what I want to see, right there, that area. I like that. Oh, you guys still wanted to pump. All right. Sorry. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah. It was an interesting trade, though. It was a very, very interesting trade. It took me out, and then, you know, I was scared. And actually, also a very interesting conclusion about the first fair value gap again. It's not that significant, obviously, as in New York, but this was the first fair value gap after the London Open, and how it repelled price here to up there. If I look at the higher time frame, I'm gonna actually delete that. So if I look at the higher time frame, this level up there so far is, I mean, not that significant to me. Now that Asia high has been taken out, I like to see a drop continuing. Why? I'm going to tell you why. It's a secret thing. Don't tell anyone. This is why. On the 1 hour chart. It might not happen today, might not happen this week, but I like that. So I'm going to be watching for that area on the 1 hour chart down there. Beautiful little liquidity place down there. Nice little area to camp out for orders. So at this particular moment, I'm not really sold on the long positions. I'm going to be looking for a structure shift. Yeah, don't listen to me. Red is still in the long. I'm just gonna wait. You know, sit back, relax. No bottom wick on the 15-minute. Oh, yeah. Also, very good, Ashevs. Very, very, very good observation. When you see this on higher time frames, like higher time frame, quote unquote higher time frames, like 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, sometimes even on the 5-minute if there is not enough volume. If you see no wick, nothing, so immediate push, this area becomes juicy. Market likes these areas to be retested, you know. So we're going to keep that in our memory. Also on the 5-minute, oh, look at that, boom. We're going to keep that in mind as a possible turning point. Here it is, 330. And I'm going to extend this 5-minute gap. All right, it's still going. No need to panic. Yeah, the no-wick bottoms. I mean, those are not major levels. Just keep that in mind. Not major levels, but for example, if you're looking for a direction, you're looking for an idea to anticipate. For example, you're anticipating that price should go down to one of your favorite level or whatever. If you see that flat candle along the way, that's just a little bit of an extra confirmation, an extra confluence that you can put it into your analysis. I'm not trading only, I mean, I never traded only for those flat candles. Sometimes when there is very, very good volume in the New York session, for example, and if I want to scalp, sometimes I go for it if I want to scalp. But it's just an extra layer of confluence. You know, good to know about it. SMT again. I had to close my platform. FOMO is kicking. Yeah, close it. And if you have a hammer around, that would be helpful. You have to be real strong on the computer. Use the hammer or an axe or something and just smash it. You know, smash it. And that's probably gonna be able to restrict you from trading until you go down to the store and buy a new computer, which is just enough time until the London session ends. So I suggest the best way is the hammer or the axe. You know, sometimes it do help a lot. Hey Tabash, good morning. Yeah, maybe the new day opening gap will be a target. Yeah, look at that, it's still going. I do feel some FOMO myself. I do feel some FOMO, which is because this one inversed the first fair value gap. I was actually playing with the idea that I should go in again for a very small position, but then, you know, the FOMO. Smash the like button. Yeah, thank you, Dilzik. Yeah, smash it. Oh yeah, we're going to the new day opening gap here. Once I trade lot, that goes new computer for 15 lots. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, if you do it with 15 lots, 15 contracts, yeah, you can maybe afford a new computer on a move like this. At of course your heart just smash the router. Oh, there you go, Tamimi. It's much cheaper. Oh, why did? Okay, I'm sorry. I take it back, Michael. Just the router, much cheaper. Just smash the router. You'll be just fine. It has to be much cheaper. Don't touch the computer. Sorry. Yeah, just smash the router. Thank you, Tamimi. That's a very good idea. Well, you know, the Trump administration took office, so it was an early close yesterday. Power cable. Michael, yeah. So gotta make sure, you know, we don't want you to get electrocuted. So just pull out that power cable first and then, you know, use a knife or a sharp axe or something. That would be the cheapest, I guess. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Yeah, cut it in two. Exactly. Use a very good knife and just cut it. You know, still takes time to go down to the store and buy a new power cable. That's true. If you have a spare one at home, make sure to cut that too. I have a spare power cable for my computer, so I have to cut that as well if I do this. It was because of Martin Luther King. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Martin Luther King Jr. I was, yeah, true. Walked into that one. It was Martin Luther King Day. Yeah. Totally walked into that, yeah. So, how is the gold trade looking right now? Gold is looking good. I'm gonna move this to break even 38.6. Okay, it's break even. I don't care. So yeah, make sure to have only one at home. Okay, look at the 5-minute candles here. We still have time. To catch up on some levels here. I don't see, other than the new day opening gap, I don't see anything else that I want to go for up here. Obviously, we have liquidity on these levels. We should have these levels down there. For me, looks juicier. I like these, especially after sweeping Asia. I mean, yeah, we can go for the new day open gap, yes, but yeah, why not? We can go for it. What's my strategy? I basically trade smart money concepts or ICT, whatever you want to call it. But I'm not a cult member, so I'm not. I don't have a picture of Michael at my wall. I only have a picture of Methodical Man, and but I'm not. I'm not praying to Michael, or I'm not like a cult member. I'm just learning a lot from his videos, and in the past weeks or month now, I'm trying to combine it with some supply and demand zones, which are usually called order blocks sometimes by ICT or Michael, but basically ICT concepts. So I like the fair value gap theory. I like liquidity areas. I like the market maker buy and sell model and all this such, all this stuff together. The inversion gaps I'm still trying to get to know better, but yeah. Who won yesterday? I had leave. Who won yesterday? Oh, Methodical Man won. I blew up the account because I went full port. I was leading with, I was up $2,200 on the Bulenox account, and then I went full port because I was so sure that we're gonna go up to, I think it was 730 something, 33, 32, and it took me out. Methodical Man passed an account. Guess my way in, yeah, guess my way out. Yeah, exactly. Shenanigan, hey there. It's all right, Satoshi. I passed an evaluation yesterday on Bulenox. So eventually it was an okay day, but I wasn't touching my funded accounts yesterday. As of 40 from passing my and blew it. I passed an account yesterday. Hopefully I can pass some more in the future. The thing is, I paid the activation fee for the previous 3 accounts, and I still don't have the new master accounts with Bulenox. Maybe today or tomorrow, maybe. But it's already on my dashboard. It says active, but I don't see it in Rhythmic, so I don't see my master account. So they said there is a slight delay, some delay in the master account creation process. So I guess I just have to wait, but I still don't have it. No activation fee for MyFundedFutures, exactly. Currently, if we calculate with MyFundedFutures, that's the cheapest one in the market if we calculate with the activation fees. Sorry. If we calculate the activation fees, MyFundedFutures Starter or Starter Plus, including, there's a 20% discount on Starter Plus if you use my code. Alright. That was stupid. That was cringe. Anyway, there's no activation. So that's the cheapest right now, I think. Tradeify is good too. I think they're maybe the same price. But anyway, no activation. Yeah, Bulenox is slow for activation. And usually when I have the activation link in the dashboard and when I pay it with a debit card or credit card, it usually activates within 5 or 10 minutes, right? But now it's just not doing it. So, but they said that they have this issue, so maybe they are doing it manually. I'm not sure. Oh, Elite is the cheapest. Okay. Nice. Will the price? Yes, it stays when it renews. It stays the same. Exactly. Exactly. Oh, no activation for 54. Wow. Oh, thank you, ARP. Thank you so much. That is awesome. Thank you for the support. Having trouble today in Top Step during those big red candle. Really? No problem. Futures Elite. Okay, not Elite Trader Funding. Okay. Okay, then I think I never even heard of them. Yeah, I think I'm still short. Let me check. I haven't even looked at it. I'm still in the short on gold. On gold, I'm targeting this area. There's a 5-minute liquidity void, but I'm looking to take profit at 30.1 down there. So I'm still short. At break even now, so I'm just sitting here waiting for it to go there. I'm pretty confident it should. Maybe it will wiggle a little bit before that, but it should go. Very gray and tricky. It's the first time I think I'm hearing the futures elites. There's so many names. Well, I don't have a cat, but there was a small little kitten last year here in my apartment because we took her to the mother of my girlfriend, because they had a cat, but she was very old, and you know, they had to put her down because she was very ill. And so we found a very nice cat for them. And so I like cats, and it was here, but we took her over, and she's having a great time. Actually, I think I have a picture recently, I think. Do I have a picture of the cat? Not even sure. Of course we do. Of course I don't find. Yeah, so here's the kitty. We call her our kitty because technically we found her. So yeah, you don't see it on this, but her ear is actually she had an accident, so her ear is a little bit like, anyway. Maybe there's a better picture somewhere. Day traders have a, oh yeah, they have a 70% sale, Satoshi, right, thank you. Day traders, I also trade with them, so I use day traders. I'm not actively promoting them until I'm not seeing more results. I have an evaluation account with them. 70% off. The same code, Tom Sabo, if you want to check them out. 70% off flash sale. Yeah. Oh, here's a nice little video from Christmas as she's trying to take this Grinch tree out. Look at that. She's trying to eat the LED lights. I don't know. Anyway, this is our cat. Uh-oh. Well, I can activate the past evals. You can't activate them. I haven't passed an evaluation account with them, ERP Media. I'm still working on the evaluation account with them. Is it, I don't know if is it automatic, or so are they sending a link? I don't know, or is it the same like with Bulenox? I don't know that yet. Oh, just looking at my gold trade, so I'm not sure. Okay, equity is almost open, by the way. Only one account? I don't know. Maybe you should ask for support. I know they are letting more accounts. Are paying with you next moment you get. Oh yeah. Exactly. That's what she does as well. One moment you can play with her, and then she's just goes against you. Past 5 evals, I don't know. I'm not sure. Not sure ERP media, but I can look at their website about that. A little bit tempted to jump into a short, to be honest, but this was not a structure shift that I really liked. Okay, jumped into a small short position. Nothing fancy. I'm targeting 593.50. 1 micro. Don't worry. Only 1 micro. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's here. Tight stop. That's it. Time for second coffee. Let's go. Gold trade is looking good so far here. This one I'm only risking 30 bucks. If it would trade below 26, I might gonna put it to break even or something. 20, maybe 31. I don't know. Hey, Captain Simon. Press kill switch? What do you mean by that? Good morning. I have my reasons here, by the way. There was a nice little gap here. This candle very nicely got rejected on it. And the candle after that was actually a bearish one, traded below that one which had the wick. And we also have some targets down there, so who knows? If it's not going down, it's fine. It's fine. How is gold looking? Oh, look at gold. Almost there. I'll be looking for a full TP at 30.1. Nice. Let's go. And this one, I have no idea. Oil is making his move down. Oh. Do 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 do. Well, seems like NQ still wants to push up. I might kill this trade. Why should I kill it? It's low risk. So let it be taken out by the stop. All right, let's see. Maybe that's gonna be the push to the new day opening gap up there. All right. Yeah, easy buys. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, there are obviously some good levels still, especially. Oh yeah, I just got taken out. Especially above 718 ish. So I'm gonna be waiting for a possible drop still. I'm gonna be waiting for a nice drop. Bowser sold. Okay. Careful up here. It can definitely, you know, revisit that new day opening gap. It's close. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't see anything significant, but I'm still looking for shorts. There could be liquidity, yeah, above 77 up there. Let's just wait and see what this one wants to do. Yeah, that's maybe sometime that 5-point gap counts too, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, pushing. It's pushing. I'm looking at gold still of what it wants to do. That it bounce back up from that level. Okay, up to the new day opening gap. It goes. It's creating a zone here as well, which is cool. I like that. I'm gonna delete this. It's not important anymore. Tapped into that 5-minute gap up there. As you said. How is trading on Top Step Live going on nowadays, Tamash? How are you doing with Top Step Live? Did you request that 100K? Dude, you shouldn't leave such a big amount there. Yes, weekend SMT incoming. Oh, weaker. Gap 680, 685. Nice. Well, still stuck up here. Gonna be looking at 5. Yeah, that's a zone I like. Open at 59.25. Okay, I like that zone. I'm gonna give a different color. Maybe this one. All right, it's good now. Trying to mark up the zone. I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade. I'm just marking up some levels here that I like. Trying to get some idea if this one wants to turn around. Yeah, I'm just looking. I'm still looking for a structure shift, so I'm just waiting. It may never come. That's true. If it's not gonna, okay, then if it's not coming, We still have a buy side up there, 704. I like that. Yeah, it just keeps going up, which is cool. And we have a fair value gap from 17 to 22. Well, everybody has a different chart, you know, different prices. Yeah, I just use the 1 minute. You know, I use the 1 minute open. I might have put it on wrongly. So this was the 12:59 candle. It closed here, and the next candle at 6 p.m. opened here on the 1 minute. That's what I used. A little bit tempted here to jump in to a short. Yeah, it might be different, especially if you're using Top Step X. Okay, I think this one can actually go in my favor. I jumped into a short. And looking to add one more. It's only one micro, but I might add one more. I don't even have a stop on it yet. I'm looking to add one more micro to this, but I still haven't decided yet. My entry is at 64.75, so not a good entry. I'll be waiting for the next candle if I add one more or not. Oh, it's an indicator. All right. Possible 634. Yeah, maybe. Still waiting here. Looking for some levels. Looking to break this zone and then go lower. Actually, going back to midnight wouldn't be that bad at 6:05. I'm still in one micro yet, so here's my trade. Looking for 6:07. And I might add one more micro to it if it would go up to the 70s. And then my risk would be still below $100 on this trade. We have some news, I think. Canadian news. Nothing else from the US. I think obviously Trump is gonna be doing some stuff, I guess, on his first day So wouldn't be surprised. Low resistance, you mean this one? Down there or up there? Down there should be low resistance if it starts to go down. Look, yeah, sure, here it is. Rejected up there. Yeah, new day opening gap, low and high. Looking to enter. No, not yet. Yeah, I don't know why is that. I was using, as I said, the 12:59 candle close. The 12:59 Monday candle close was the low, and the 8 p.m. candle open is the high, basically on the 1 minute. That's what I was using. Here it is on the 1 minute. This is 12:59 on the 1 minute. It closed at actually 80.50. Okay, so the close is 80.50, and the next first candle here, the 1 minute, opened at 85.50. So that's what I have as a new day opening gap. This closed here, this one opened here. That's it. So I don't know. I don't know. Victor Donald indicator. I haven't even known that we have such a thing. Kind of amazing. All right, added one more, and this is gonna be my final risk. It's 80 bucks on this trade, and looking to go to 608. Doesn't look good. It's most likely gonna take me out. The gold trade was good, so it's gonna help me out today. But this, yeah. He's gonna trade higher. I don't know why is that. Yeah, I have it on the micro. Maybe you have it on the mini. Yeah, it's on the micro for me. So maybe the mini is different. Yeah, I totally forgot that. Yeah, I was short on gold. I was short. I was targeting this from up here. You know, so this gold trade definitely is compensating me even for this loss. Well, I don't know then. I don't know. Maybe top step X is different. Hey Cosmo, good morning. Don't risk. Yeah. Not particularly. I mean, on the charts. Oh yeah, maybe out at the prop firms. Maybe at the prop firms there could be different. I don't know. Especially on the Project X thing. Oh, I don't know then. No, I'm no. It should be different. Shenanigan, I think. On TradingView, it is sharing the same daily candle. I don't know then. I'm not sure. Not sure. Yeah, maybe broker differences. Yeah, it could be. Do you have to keep refreshing financial juice? Mine keeps getting stuck. Yeah, sometimes I do have to also refresh it. I mean, I'm not really watching that all the time, but I have to refresh it just to make sure. The daily candle started yesterday. All right, let's look at it. Let's check on that. Oh, yeah. What? Yeah, interesting. There's no Monday here. I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. I'm confused now. I'm looking the New York midnight anyway on this daily candle. It's all rigged. It's a huge glitch in the matrix. It's a glitch. We all know. R1 day. Okay. So it has to do something about that Martin Luther King Day, I guess. It's going down like Donald Trump. I'm curious what he's going to do on his first few days. You know, when prop firms say today and tomorrow are the same trading day, that's why. Yeah. Also, that's why some of the past evaluations are not activated today on Apex, for example, or no email from some prop firms. I don't like this. I thought that this is going to be a nice little waterfall drop or something. It's not happening. That's some bullish things for crypto. Yeah, who knows? But what's happening with the Trump coin now? I was checking on it. I was like, what is going on with the Trump coin? And with the Melania coin. Oh, back to $40. It was down, I think. What's up with the oh, the Melania coin is down. Jesus. Hey, Yokozuna, what's happening? Anything? Yeah, nothing special. I had a nice gold trade, and I thought that, you know, try to go for some demand areas from up here after picking liquidity. It had a shift, but seemingly it doesn't really want to go now. So we might just go straight up above the new day opening gap. Time to say goodbye. All right, Jack. It was nice to have you. Have a good rest of the day. See you on the next session, hopefully. Oh my god, this trade is going down. Not really the move I was hoping here. Oh man, I might have to cut this here. What a shame. What a shame. $6.95. Oh, right. Let's go. I think you have a good chance to go into the 90s here. Yeah. Unfortunate for me, though. Where was that flat candle? It was down at 36, right? Yeah. Yeah, it seems like it wants to take more liquidity. Yeah. Out from the trade. I got taken out, but yeah, I think it's gonna go for the 90s. 90s. We have a buy side at 704. Look at that. It wants it. Up to the 90s now, and above 700 most likely. It will be very close to that 704, I think. Thoughts on why some are being banned from Apex? Never fails. I come across one in the chat and they cannot care not. I don't know why someone is banned. So it could be the reason for using multiple accounts and different names, you know, or maybe using practices on the funded account like hedging on multiple accounts under multiple registrations. Good question. That's a good question. There could be many reasons. There could be many reasons. A lot of orders at 750. I guess it makes sense, right? I wonder if it tries to, you know, push to the 700s from here. The 750s, yeah, there could be holding liquidity up there. Trying to watch this closer. But nothing that I like. Maybe for a scalp, but I don't like to go in for a scalp here in the London session. So I'm just gonna leave that. I'm up $129 on a MyFundedFutures funded account, and on another MyFundedFutures funded account, I'm down $80. And that's it. So practically around break even for the session, profit wise. But another TP, let's go. Let's go, Cosmo. Let's go. Mean threshold of the 1 hour. No, that could be awesome. Oh yeah. I might gonna wait for the macro and see what's it gonna do. Uh-oh. Bit of a shift here. Should I try one more trade? No, I'm gonna wait for this and the next candle. But I think it's just bullish. It's just gonna stay bullish for now. And keeps going to the highs. Anyway, let's see how this candle is gonna close. Yeah, I don't like this. So it's still bullish. No entry for me here. Still gonna wait. On the 1 minute, there is a unbalanced price at 68. Let's check on the, sorry, on the micro. On the mini, it's at 71. It's nothing significant. Actually, let's go down here again. So it's nothing that is significant. Could be a possible indication or confirmation if it's shifting down that we might continue lower. Gonna be waiting here. Yeah, this is not the best area to look for shorts. In fact, I would like to see this current candle on the 1 minute not to trade below the previous one, so at least it can create a possible structure. If we, oh yeah, this is what I don't want to see. Should I jump in on the inversion? No, short. Maybe. I don't want to force it. I don't like these. I like to have one down close candle at least. Judah swing, maybe. Spigs, hey there. Welcome. Good afternoon to you too. It's in the morning for me now. Actually, after this, I'm gonna hit the gym again. I have to do more cardio. Now going short from here, targeting down there. That could be a good risk to reward. I like this. Okay. All right. This might be it. No, it's not. It's not. Picked up liquidity with one tick from this gap. No. Still not the thing I was looking for. Well, it's a little bit, you know, too much to say that I'm working. I do go to the gym, but I'm still in the first 2 weeks. You know, I'm trying to get back in shape. So it's currently it's not about, you know, the heavy weights right now. It's currently more likely about cardio, and of course I'm pushing it with weights as well, but most likely smaller ones. And my friend who actually works there in the gym tells me that I should be focusing on the move. So for example, if I do some push-ups with some weights, then I should be using a smaller one and focusing on the perfect move to focus the on the muscle, instead of just, you know, picking up the hardest weight I can barely push. And of course I have to do more of that until I feel my muscle. But yeah, it's still at the beginning. Still at the beginning. Contraction. Exactly. Sorry, I wasn't. Yeah. You see, guys, I'm telling you, my English is not good. Yeah. Contraction. Okay, what's happening here? I don't know. I like this bearish candle. I don't know. I wanted to jump in, but all right. I jumped in. Jumped in, and I'm gonna take a partial at 68.50 actually. I'm taking a partial at 68.50. It's gonna be a very light trade, and for the big move I'm gonna be looking for 645 if I can get there. 645.25, that's it. 94.75 is my stop. There. It doesn't look good now. I was forcing this trade. I shouldn't. I'm forcing. So this is gonna be the last trade, that's for sure, for this session, because I'm forcing things now. I shouldn't trade these moves at all. I'm just trying to force this short at this point. I entered on this bearish formation because we traded below the gap multiple times. That's yeah. That's not the thing I'm looking for here. Yeah, exactly, Dynasty, exactly. Just walking. It's not looking good. Well. I was hoping that this is gonna waterfall into that volume imbalance, you know, and then I can have a runner. Clearly, it's not the plan. Not now, at least. Darn it. All right. All right. That small gap is not gonna help me. It's just going to reprice it and then go up to the 700s. Oh, and risking about 70 or 80 bucks on this. No. Don't like it. I mean, we're in the macro and I was hoping for a structure change. But it's not happening. Nothing can save me now, I guess. Oh, man. Oh, man. Resistance, but it's going higher. Yeah, I think so too. I'm watching it. Looks like it wants to run. I mean, to try more time. So. $691. Point of control yesterday. Oh, I see. Yeah, 800 is in the cards. Absolutely. Yes, yes, Red. I think so too. It's. I was hoping for a quick retest during in the London AM to the downside, but yeah, this is what happens when I'm attached to a specific level, and I'm just trying to force it. I mean, I still like my zones down there, but 5-minute actually looks like, I mean, looks like a lot of trend line liquidity is on the 5-minute. Look at that. Look at all this. Like, it's a lot to be taken out. That's interesting, but it can still push. Humpty Dumpty. Yeah. I don't know. Not sure. Not sure anymore. Oh, London. Why you keep doing this, London? Yeah. Yeah. Usually that's what happens. Yeah, I'm using a very tight stop here because if it trades above the 95s, then most likely it wants to go for that 704 to take some more liquidity. So yeah. Yeah. That is. Oh no. What a shame. I was really hoping for this. But oh well. Oh well. It just wants to push it to the 700s. Especially because we have the 11 a.m. new candle. I'm sorry, not 11, 5 a.m. Here is 11. 5 a.m. candle could be pushing it. And let's go. All right. Nice. This account is down $136. The other account is up 129. So I'm profit-wise, I'm down like $7. Almost like a scratch for the day, but this is what happens when you're trying to force something which is not there. I mean, not yet. Taking the 704 most likely here. Yeah, a little bit offside here on my end. All right, I'm gonna hit the gym. This is it. You know, it was an interesting session. The gold trade was the one that saved me, basically. And so far, I think that's it. All right, everybody. I'm gonna be back for the New York session. Thank you so much for watching. This was great. And yeah, what a spike there. And so what can I say? Trade safely, and if you would like to support, please use my codes and links. The instant funded account with TickTickTrader is still down, is still on a discount on the 100k trade await account. You can get one instant funded for $369. Check it out. Also, no activation with MyFundedFutures, 20% off from the starter. 50k or starter plus, I don't even know. 50% off from Take Profit Trader and check out the rest as well. Thank you so much, everybody. I see everybody, hopefully, back in the New York session. All right. Stay safe and God bless you all. Cheers, everybody.